Have you ever wondered how programmers print color text in C++ terminal? For example, how I can make this hello world appear in red color? The answer is something called ANSI Escape Sequence. Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to explain what Escape Sequences are and how you can use them in your C++ program to change terminal coloring and formatting. First, what does ANSI means? ANSI stands for American National Standard Institute. In the context of terminals, ANSI escape sequences are special character sequences that tell the terminal to perform a particular action. For example, change text color, make text bold, change background color, move the cursor, clear part of the terminal. Let's look at simple C++ example. So we have here a simple C++ programmer which prints hello world. But if we compile this program using g++ main.cpp and then we run it, it will simply print hello world in the default color, that is black. But to change the color, we need to give ANSI escape sequence, that is slash backslash 033, then square bracket, and after this square bracket, we need to give the color. So I'm going to give you red color, that is 31M. And after we choose the color, we need to reset it again using the same escape sequence, that is 033, and then in square bracket we write 0M. So this resets the color to the default terminal color, which is black. And when you run this using same compiling and run it, then you will see the same text in hello world as in red color. You can also change this number to some other number and see what happens. So when I compile this and run it, you will see green color text appearing in the terminal. You can experiment with these numbers and see what happens. So this 033 represents the escape character, and this 31 or 32 tells which color or which formatting to change. And after you give your text, for us it's hello world, you can again give the escape sequence and reset it to the default setting. And this is how you can change the output color of your terminal. And that's it for this video.